He was already out on bond, already warned, already given a second chance. And yet he was back. Inside the courtroom of David Fleischer, the atmosphere shifted the moment the prosecutor spoke. Your Honor, while released on bond for a pending case, the defendant was arrested again, this time for assault. The room went silent. Defense counsel stepped forward quickly, emphasizing that the new charge was only an allegation. No conviction. No formal finding yet. But bond isn't about guilt. It's about trust. Judge Fleischer reviewed the timeline. The defendant had been granted pretrial release under clear conditions. Obey all laws. Avoid contact with alleged victims. Report regularly. Then came the body cam summary. An argument. Escalation. Physical contact alleged. Witness statements taken. Defense argued mutual confrontation. No serious injury. A misunderstanding fueled by emotion. The judge leaned forward. When this court releases someone on bond, he said, it is extending trust. That trust comes with conditions. The prosecutor requested immediate bond revocation. Defense requested bond modification instead. Anger management classes, no contact order, stricter supervision. Judge Fleischer looked directly at the defendant. You stood here weeks ago and assured this court you understood the seriousness of your situation. The defendant nodded silently. And now we're discussing a new violent charge. The courtroom tension was palpable. Judge Fleischer explained that pretrial release is not a reset button. It is conditional freedom. Picking up a new assault charge while already facing prosecution demonstrates escalating risk. Defense stressed the presumption of innocence. The judge acknowledged it, but clarified something critical. Presumption of innocence applies at trial. Bond decisions consider public safety and compliance history. After reviewing the file and hearing arguments, Judge Fleischer delivered his ruling. Bond revoked on the original case, pending further review. A new bond set on the assault charge with strict no-contact provisions. Mandatory compliance monitoring. Then came the statement that echoed. When you show this court that you cannot follow basic conditions, you lose the privilege of leniency. The gavel struck. A second chance had turned into confinement. And the lesson was unmistakable. Freedom on bond is conditional. Break the conditions. And the consequences arrive fast.